Hi children, we are going to do a small interesting exercise. Yes, we have learned numbers and names from 80 to 90. Now we are going to find the numeral. I'll give you, on the board will come numbers name. We'll read aloud and we'll find the numerals for it. What is the number? This is the spelling. Alright, it's a very interesting exercise, and here we are. Let's look at our first number name so that you can find the numerals for it. What is it? Read. EIGHTY 80 FOUR 84. Yes, 84. Now this is the number name. What about the numeral? What is 84? EIGHTY FOUR. How do we write? 84 is written as 8 and 4. 84. Good. 8 and 4. 84. So you found the numeral for the number name. Shall we go to the next one? Is it interesting exercise? Here we are. The next one. Spell it out. EIGHTY 80 SIX 6. 86. You learn to read 86. Now how will you write the numeral for it? 86. 8 and 6. 86. Good. So we write it down here. 8 and 6. 86. And we read this as 86. Did you enjoy? Yes, very clever. Let's take our next number name. Let's read. EIGHTY 80 NINE 9. 89. This word is 80. This is 9. Now how do you write the numeral 89? You will write 8 then 9. 8 and 9, 89. Good. You learned to read, spell. You also learned to write the numeral for the number name. Shall we take our next number name? That you can identify and find the numeral for it. Spell. EIGHTY 80, and this EIGHT 8. This is 80, this is 8. 88. How do we write the numeral 88? 8 and 8, 88. 2 8, 88. 8 and 8, 88. Good. Did you enjoy? Shall we go to our next number name so that we can guess the numeral? Now, spell EIGHTY 80 TWO2. 82. What is this? 82. How do we write the numeral? 82. 8 and 2, 82. Good. 8 and 2, 82. Very good. I'm sure you are enjoying the exercise. Shall we take our next number name? Look. Spell EIGHTY 80. How do you write the numeral 80? 8 and 0, 80. Very good. 80 is written as 8 and 0. 8 and 0, 80. Very good. How do you write 80? 8 and 0, 80. Spell 80. EIGHTY 80. 8 and 0, 80. Very good. Now let's take another number name and you can guess the numeral. EIGHTY 80 SCVEN 87. What word is this? 80. This one, 7. 87. How will you write the numeral 87? 8 and 7. 87. Good. How do you write 87? 8 and 7. 87. 87. Very good. Let's take our next number name. Read. EIGHTY 80 FIVE 5. 85. 85. You read? Now how will you write the numeral? 85. 8 and 5. 85. Very good. 8 and 5. 85. You learned to write the numeral correctly. Good. Shall we look at another number name? EIGHTY 80 THREE 3. Good. 83. 83 numeral is written as 83. 8 and 3. 83. 8 and 3. 83. Very good. Let's take another number name. Look. 80. Spell EIGHTY 80. And next ONE1. This word is 80. This is 1. 81. How will you write the numeral? 8 and 1. 81. How will you write? 8 and 1. 81. Very good.